Elijah Enugu, I'm warning you guys, stay away from my inbox. There is no way you can discuss about this whole thing that is happening today regarding Adoration Ministry Enugu State or whatever. Elijah Enugu can be involved either directly or indirectly. You know, the thing is that ever since I made my video, I don't know where I mentioned Elijah Enugu or that he's the one, whatever, doing whatever that happened to Evangelist Ebuka. Even asina or konyo ahire and actually also. And the no she name even na for her no she never na buzo na akya kumo she konya like trying to, you know, display kagare makwano ofia ko name. You guys know yourselves. Coming to my inbox to say some certain things, I'm accusing her, or they are weird, or they are Elijah Enugu. There is no way you can discuss about this whole thing that is happening today regarding Adoration Ministry Enugu State or whatever. Elijah Enugu can be involved either directly or indirectly. Just maybe, like most of you are saying, a father was on my inbox after my video. One of the father, he came to my inbox and said, did that thing really happen? Who did it? I said, yes, it happened. And it's really shameful. I saying, but people are calling Elijah Enugu. I was like, oh, you didn't involve directly, but there is no way Oga had involved indirectly. Some people might be acting, oh, that this and that one, but it's still left for him to call a spade a spade. Some of these things, all these things, gave a lot of people morale to be misbehaving in the name of and we want to protect our own interest. We want to protect this one, that one, our territory. All these people has been on my nerves, saying all manner of things. You guys should know me. You guys should know who I am in terms of all this social media brouhaha. The fact that I decided to stay low and be watching things doesn't mean that we are not there. So if you think that you can give me trouble unnecessarily, here and there, you guys should know by now. So I saw a lot of them tagging me, doing a lot of things. This boy, you're a stupid boy, you are this and that. Only in our self, how could, like, sometimes some of you like about more. Sometimes I don't blame these people when I say that Christianity have blocked go some of you brain, some of you your common sense, that you make you to see the truth, you try to make it like this. At the 9 minutes, Commissioner of Sports, Senaga Habahi Stadium, and all that came from who? Apparently, banner, hand flyer, hand bills, naked. You say that guy who you say that in favor of who can name all those things if we tell ourselves the truth. In favor of who can people name all those things? Let's just say that he wasn't involved directly, but in favor of who can do name all those things? Who is that person? Who is that? In fact, it's just that someone like me, I know a lot, and it's not everything we bring on social media. But I know these background talks, background tantrums. You may on social media. Okay, holy, innocent wedge. And if I'm baseball, my the work time, this and that one. Marano na azuna happy button na haro. Ndebe Elijah Enugu. Allow me to rest. Because when we throw fire, I am everywhere. Fire here and there. You know? on my video, I was just stating that that act of some hoodlums over there in Enugu is unacceptable. It's a big shameful thing in a Christendom. A very big shameful thing. It's not actually stop this one, that one. All that came from somewhere at that minute. Meanwhile, you guys collected money over a month. I announced that they make you say, I got that. You guys didn't say anything. All that minute, couldn't watch his stadium. And they couldn't watch his stadium. When they could fly and guy who, and they couldn't fly and guy who. Una be my arrest, una be my invite or whatever. Because DSS produce everywhere. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, or someone like me. If we're all going to package since on this year, was onye Ramari Fana or one day, he had a wow, fire. But the earlier you guys and the Elijah Enugu stop all this rubbish, the better for everybody. Whether you guys are doing it for him, whether you guys are doing it or whatever, you guys know yourselves. You guys know exactly what you are doing. Okay, Kagari make crusade. Oh, in favor of me, oh, no, in favor of Elijah Enugu. Oh, in favor of me.